Legal compliance, a simple guide for business owners and managers. Welcome back. We've all seen the headlines: Company X fined millions for data breach, or Company Y sued for labor law violations. What is legal compliance, and why does it feel so overwhelming? In this video, we break down the essentials of staying compliant with the law. From data privacy, GDPR CCPA, to employment laws and industry-specific regulations, learn how to build a compliance framework that protects your company from lawsuits, fines, and reputation damage. Most of these disasters weren't intentional, they happened because of a lack of legal compliance. But compliance isn't just about avoiding jail time. It's about building a business that people trust. Today, we are stripping away the legalese and giving you a practical roadmap to keep your business on the right side of the law. Section 1. What is legal compliance? At its core, legal compliance is the process of ensuring your company adheres to the laws, regulations, and ethical standards set by the government and your industry. Think of it like the rules of the road. If you ignore a red light, you might get lucky once or twice, but eventually, you're going to crash. Internal compliance, following your own company bylaws and policies. External compliance, following state, federal, and international laws. Section 2. The core pillars of compliance. While regulations vary by industry, almost every business must master these three pillars. 1. Employment and labor laws. This covers everything from minimum wage and overtime to anti-discrimination and workplace safety. 2. Data privacy and security. Laws like GDPR or CCPA have long arms. They can affect you even if your office isn't in those locations. 3. Financial and tax compliance, accurate record keeping, and transparent reporting to avoid audits. Section 3. The Compliance Management System, CMS. To stay organized, businesses use a compliance management system. This is a continuous loop that ensures you don't just set it and forget it. 1. Identify what laws apply to your specific industry. 2. Assess where are your biggest risks. 3. Mitigate, create policies and training to address those risks. 4. Monitor, audit your processes regularly to ensure they are working. Section 4. The cost of non-compliance. Why invest in a compliance program? Because the alternative is much more expensive. Fines and penalties. Regulatory bodies don't just ask for an apology, they ask for a check. Reputational damage. Trust takes years to build and seconds to lose. Business shutdown. In extreme cases, your license to operate can be revoked. If you think compliance is expensive, try non-compliance. Conclusion and call to action. Legal compliance might not be the most exciting part of running a business, but it is the foundation that allows you to scale safely. If you found this overview helpful, I've put a basic compliance checklist in the description below to get you started. What's the most confusing legal regulation you've encountered in your industry? Let's talk about it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow entrepreneur. I'll see you in the next video.